Hi everyone, it's Adriana and I am going to conduct the trunk test by testing it out on my computer screen for you, and I'm just going to take you through with what I see. So if I stumble along, please don't mind that. I'm actually at a distance, so I could see my computer screen, and but this is typically not how I would work off of it, and I typically use glasses, so I do have to really focus to try and see what's on my screen at this point, to really try and think of, like, if I had my eyes closed and I opened them, what would I see, and if I could identify some of these things. So currently on the Discover page, and let's see what site I get. Wow, okay, nothing to see here. Something went wrong. Obviously, there is a site, the marine traffic site, and I don't see any other navigations. I don't really know where I'm at, so I'm going to try that again. Maybe that page didn't work for me. Oh, this is much better. Okay, so I'm on typing.com. I can see that I'm on the lessons page because it's underscore, like there's an underscore on it. So as far as the sections, they're pretty clear. Other than that, as far as like local navigation, I could see it's like over on the left-hand side. I believe I need an account to actually use full functionality, which is clearly stated, yet I could kind of see that this is the basics of it, and it tells me I'm not logged in. As far as the page name, it's pretty clear. If I hover over it, it would take me, let's see where it would take me. Lessons. Lessons is probably just the landing page, the home page. And I think that's it. I said my you are here. My utilities piece though, I guess login and sign up. I don't see a like search option. So unless I scroll down. Oh, and you know what? Something that's different. Back to home page. That's the home page. So that's the landing page. So that was actually a nice experience. I was able to clearly see be inside of the website without really being inside. I've never gone to this website before, but yeah, I think the navigation was pretty clear. I was able to see I was on the lessons page. I was able to see the page name, also like the breadcrumbs. I was able to then see, once I kind of like really focused in, that I was really not on the home page, and I was able to backtrack to the home page for the landing page. My primary navigation probably was there, except it could have been a little bit clearer if I would have logged in. But overall, good navigation.